Hello and welcome to our latest beef and lamb market update. Cattle prices this month have seen very slight positive movements, likely due to Christmas demand. Lamb prices have begun to increase too, rising above last year and the 5-year average in recent weeks. We'll start with the lamb market today, and so far this year an estimated 6.6 million lambs have come forwards from the 2019 crop, a rise of 7% year on year, bringing overall lamb and mutton production up 8%. According to DEFRA data, 1.3 million lambs were slaughtered in October, an increase of 2%. Though carcass weights have been higher than average for most of the year, in October they have dropped slightly to level with last year. This supports industry reports that lambs have been coming forward slightly underfinished. The general uncertainty around Brexit also may have encouraged some farmers to get animals off farm earlier than originally intended. The lamb price has started to see an increase in the last couple of weeks, with the live weight price jumping significantly upwards over last year's price and the 5-year average. In previous years, the price has picked up at this time of year, so it follows the trend, but the price increase has been quicker so far. Deadweight prices have also increased to above last year's levels. The trend seen through 2019 of reduced imports and higher exports has continued through September, when imports were down 35% to 2,800 tonnes, according to HMRC data. Much of the decline is from New Zealand, which has seen reduced production and higher demand, mainly from China, so has redirected supply there. UK exports continue to be higher than last year, with reported exports of fresh frozen sheep meat up 16% year on year. Partly this is due to an increase in production, and also as New Zealand has reduced its exports to the EU, the UK has been able to fill the gaps. Moving on to the beef market, production in October was the highest it's been in nearly 4 years, with throughput at over 186,000 head. An increase in average cattle weights also added to the high level of production, which reached 86,100 tonnes. Weekly prices have remained well below last year and the 5-year average for some time, though there have been some small positive movements in the last couple of weeks. This is likely due to the change in demand for certain spec animals for Christmas though, and unfortunately too early to predict an upturn in fortune. The trend of lower imports, seen over most of 2019, continued into September, with UK total beef imports down 33.5% on the previous year to 22,000 tonnes. Greatly reduced amounts were imported from Ireland, as production, and therefore available supplies, were significantly affected by the protests around beef prices. Conversely, exports have increased, with exports in the year to September up 20%. Notable increases were seen in exports to the Philippines, up over 300%, perhaps in response to the reduction in its domestic pig herd due to ASF. That's all we have time for today. Thank you very much for watching. For more in-depth information on what's currently influencing UK cattle and sheep markets, please visit the market news page of our website.